that a good tomato? Mm-mm. Yum, yum. Say hi to Daddy. Say, Daddy, I stole one of Mama's tomatoes and started eating it all on my own. Is that good? You're one tomato eating baby. Mmm. Fresh picked. Bye. Bye, Ayla.